Hello, in this video we'll show you how to reduce file size in Canva. First, open Canva on your PC. Then click on Instagram post or open an existing design if you have one already. Now if you need to upload an image to the design, go to Uploads from the left side menu. Then click on Images and select the image you want to use or drag it onto the canvas to start working with it. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner and click on Share. Then in the drop down menu, select Download. Now you'll see different download options. First, check that the file type is set to PNG for high quality images. If a smaller file size is more important, consider selecting JPG as it usually has a much smaller file size than PNG. Now use the size slider just below the file type. Moving the slider to a lower percentage will reduce the file's dimensions and therefore reduce the file size. After adjusting the settings, click on Download to save the image with the reduced file size to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully reduced the file size of your design in Canva, making it easier to share or upload online. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.